Hello guys, so for today I'm going to show you how to use the LDR or light detector resistor with an LED output. So let's start by uh, mounting the LDR to our breadboard. We will connect the LDR and the 10 kilo ohms resistor in series, uh, constituting a voltage divider circuit. Okay, and with some connectors we will connect the other side of the resistor to our ground, and then we will connect the other side of the LDR to our positive 5 volts. In addition, we will connect a connector between the LDR and the resistor that will serve as a signal for our Arduino board. So don't forget to wire up the 5 volts of our Arduino into our breadboard, and also connect a ground from our Arduino to our breadboard. Let's put some LEDs to our breadboard as an output. So let's switch. So let's connect the negative side of the LED to our breadboard. You can notice that the shorter pin is the negative side of our LED. So we will put it this way. The shorter pin of our LED is connected to the ground pin of our breadboard. And if using LEDs with Arduino, don't forget to add 220 ohms resistor to prevent the LED to get busted. So let's connect a resistor in series on our LED. So yun. And then connect some connector from the end of the resistor to our Arduino. Okay, let's connect here. Then we will be using pin 2 on our Arduino board. Okay, so this circuit is if the LDR detects no light, we will going to output high, or we will light up our LED every time we cover the LDR not detecting any light. So if the LDR detects light, the LED is off, and when the LDR receives no light, while we cover it, the LED lights up. So our signal pin of our LDR, we will going to use pin A0 of our Arduino board as analog input. So that's it. Our circuit is complete. So for the code, please check the description for the code of this circuit. So let's try to upload the code. As you open the code, you can see that we have our LED connected at pin 2 and our LDR signal connected at pin A0. So we set our LED as a digital output, and while in the loop, uh, every 500 milliseconds we read the signal from our LDR. So let's upload the code to see the behavior of our LDR. So this project, you can use this on the automatic light when it gets dark, and many more. So once you uploaded the code, let's open up our serial monitor. Displayed here is the signal reading of our LDR. So when we cover up the LDR, you can see that our LED lights up, and the signal reading of our LDR drops to around 200. So depending on your application, you can change this value. So if you want to uh, power on something before it gets dark, you can adjust this value depending on the reading of your LDR. So that's how we use the LDR on light-based projects. So I hope you learned something, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates on prototyping. So that's it. Bye bye.